Yo, what's up, guys? Today's not gonna be a fishing video. It's gonna be a hiking video. Because I don't just fish, guys. I go hiking, and it's also one of my loves. So I wanted to bring you guys along. I'm already here. It's called Taylor Mountain in Sonoma County, and then yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. Let's go hiking. Got my backpack. And then guess what I got, guys? It's gonna be a surprise. I'm bringing my guitar. Look, we're gonna sing on top of a mountain today. Let's go. Yeah, guys, so it's about a 4.5 mile long route. Round trip, 4.5 miles. So, yeah. And there's like a play structure here for the kids. Let's see. Yeah, it's cool. Oh, look, there's dog poop. Gross. But, we are here. And then we are gonna go all the way up. Keep going, all the way to here. I don't know. I was thinking about making this a series, guys. Hiking every trail in Sonoma County. That sounds really fun. And yeah, that would be cool if I could do a trail a week. At least it gives me something to do at the moment. Yeah. The cool thing about this side of the trail is it's just immediately it's steep, which I kind of like, because it's like you're actually climbing up a mountain. I don't know. I don't really consider Taylor Mountain a mountain. It's just like a giant hill to me, but I might be wrong. Guys, I found more poop. There's so much poop. This is my first time seeing so much poop on the trail. People aren't picking up their dog's poop, I guess. Yeah. I'm already gassed. I'm out of shape. I sprained my ankle like 2 weeks ago. So this is like a first test to see if my ankle's okay. Yeah. Ooh. Super gassed. I'm out of shape. Yeah, Taylor Mountain is one of the hiking trails that I do the most. I used to come out here every day in the mornings and just get it done. Yeah, I've been taking a break because it's been hella hot over the summer. You know, hiking when it's like 90 degrees doesn't feel so good. So yeah. But yeah, let me know if you guys like these hiking videos. It's kind of just me and you guys just talking. So yeah, let me know in the comments. I'm gassed. I'm super gassed. Whew. Alright, guys. take a little break. The cool thing is, I think I'm gonna be the first person to ever bring a guitar up to Taylor Mountain, all the way to the top. So if any of you guys have done it, let me know, but I think I'm the first person. We're gonna sing, we're gonna play the guitar, we're just gonna have a good time. It's gonna be awesome. All right, let's keep going. All right, guys, so we're reaching our first checkpoint. I call it a checkpoint. It's just a cattle gate. Taylor Mountain has these cattle gates because I guess they let cows graze. I have yet to see a cow near this trail, and someone didn't lock it. They left it open. They're supposed to keep it locked, but yeah, keep gate closed. And then this gate is for the cows, and this gate is for the humans. You just open it and then close it, and it kind of just closes on its own. See, watch. That way the cows can't come out. I'm gonna go ahead and close this gate for the cows. So I just tried to close the gate, but it was broken, so we'll just leave it. Hopefully the cows don't come out. Moo. I have two choices. One is to go up that steep trail, and the other is a light incline. We're gonna go light incline. Let's go. Guys, I found a different kind of poop. You guys know what kind of poop this is? Let me know in the comments. Oh no, I brought a tripod in case I wanted to do the hiking influencer thing where, like, you put the camera down, well, you hike up, put the camera down, and then you walk all the way back, and then you record yourself. But I don't know, it just seems kind of cringy. I've done it for a couple of videos, but I don't know, just doing it while I'm hiking just seems like, oh man, I don't want to be caught doing that. This trail's pretty popular, so yeah, I don't want to be caught doing that. I just passed by a person, so it's a good thing I didn't put the tripod down. Let's go. Alright guys, we've reached the worst part of the trail. Let me show you. It's just steep on camera, but it's a long one, man. I'll show you guys when I get to the top. Alright, I made it to the top of that little steep part. I usually take a break after that. Let me show you guys how steep it was. Man, it does not look steep on camera. I tell you, it is steep. It is very steep. Here's the second sucky part. I don't like this part either, but it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Man, guys, I am gassed. I'm gassed AF. Whew. We getting there though. We like halfway there. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Alright guys, we reached the second gate. This one doesn't close automatically for some reason. It's just on a hinge. So we're almost to the top, guys. Just a little bit longer. A little bit more. And we'll be good. Almost to the top, guys. Almost there. Just a little bit more. And we made it to the top, guys. Let's go. Oh shit, I tripped. Let me show you guys. There's a pile of rocks right here. And then they have a bench all the way at the top. And then people just come up here and then they hang like bells and locks, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Alright, let me show you guys my spot where I sit down. So if you walk to the right, you're gonna see this trail. And then there's a pile of rocks. And I usually just sit down right here. It's like a man-made bench. I don't know if am I supposed to sit right here? Is it not allowed? I'm gonna sit right here though. Wow, guys. What an amazing view. Let me show you. It's the best seat. The best seat in Sonoma County. LOL. I wish the drops would stop pitter-pattering on the floor, 'cause I just can't stay at home anymore. It's been raining for the longest time, and I just want to get my sunshine. Mr. Sun, where are you? I hope you haven't caught the flu, 'cause I was hoping that you'd grace me with your smile. Oh, with your smile. You don't know, babe, when you hold me, kiss me softly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change if I had it my way. You should know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're the sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. Oh, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part is the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. And we make up, then we make love. Your kiss is what I desire. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're my talent, all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. Oh, I messed up. Alright, guys, that's it. We heading back down.